Hello everyone, I am Puan Joanna Madeline, anak perempuan Joseph from SMK Sultan BADLISHAH, and I'm the mentor for this group, Fire and Gas Detection Monitoring System.
Hi teacher, good morning. So teacher, what do you think about the project?
Oh, your project, the fire and gas detection system.
Yes, teacher.
I find it very, very useful and practical. Okay, because it actually sends alerts to your phone. You always carry your phone everywhere, right? So you can actually be alerted, and it's like you can prevent further loss of lives, damage of properties, and all this. So it's very good, and because of quick action, you can take a quick action. And it's practical. Why? Because you can sell it to schools and homes and labs like this. Also, we have gas and all that. Okay, so it's very useful. Yeah.
Okay, teacher, thank you very much for your feedback. Thank you, teacher.
My warmest greetings to dear judges and viewers. My name is VIVENTH and these are my teammates, PRIYAAH, TASHVEEN, Monica and LISHAANT. We are representing Sekolah Menengah Kebaikan Sultan BADLISHAH. We are proudly standing here to present our project with the title of the IoT Fire and Gas Detection Safety System. Fire accidents result in significant loss, encompassing both human lives and properties. This devastating event can cause injuries, disabilities and even fatalities, leaving both families and communities devastated. Beyond the human toll, fire accidents also lead to extensive damage to homes, buildings and infrastructure, resulting in financial burden and emotional distress. With this information, I would like to pass to my friend PRIYAAH.
Thank you, Vivian. Now I would like to talk about the problem statement of our project. The current fire and gas detection safety system often falls short in effectively detecting and preventing fire and gas-related incidents, posing significant risk to life and property. Existing systems may lack real-time monitoring capabilities, intelligent analytics, seamless connectivity, hindering timely response and mitigation of potential disaster. Now I would like to pass to my friend LISHAANT.
Thank you, Priya. Now judges, there are many objectives to our project, and one of them is real-time monitoring. This enables continuous monitoring of fire and gas hazards through the development of IoT sensors, ensuring timely detection and alerting. Another objective is early warnings and rapid response. This provides early warnings and notifications to facilitate quick evacuation and enable prompt emergency response to minimize the spread of fire and reduce potential damage. Finally, the most important objective is centralized management. This establishes a centralized monitoring and control system that enables efficient management for fire detection and response, allowing for centralized decision making and coordination of emergency protocols. Now I'd like to pass on the spotlight to my friend Monica.
Thank you, LISHAANT. Now I'll be talking about the project's methodology. In this project, the flame sensors and gas sensors are connected to an IoT-based fire and gas detection safety system. Through IoT technology, these sensors provide real-time data that is transmitted to a centralized monitoring system or cloud-based platform. The IoT system analyzes the data, enabling remote monitoring, early warnings, and rapid response to fire and gas hazards. The integration of IoT enhances the system's capabilities by enabling seamless connectivity, data analysis, and remote control, improving overall safety and response efficiency. The system's internal real-time monitoring, displaying gas level on-site, reinforces its reliability in offline situations. This ensures immediate responses to gas hazards and strengthens safety measures even when the internet connectivity is unavailable, making it a dependable solution in all conditions. Once the leakage of hazardous gases is detected, the monitoring system will display the level of gases while the buzzer will trigger a loud sound. People in the house are able to take timely action since the component is always accessible even in offline scenarios. With that information, I would like to pass it over to my friend TASHVEEN for the demonstration.
Thank you, Monica, for the explanation about the methodology. Now, let's move on to the demonstration. In this project, the flame sensors and gas sensors are connected to a VMOS D1 board with Wi-Fi capability. When these sensors detect flames or hazardous gases, they send information to the VMOS D1 board. The VMOS D1 board communicates with the Blink app transmitting sensor data. The app displays real-time data, sends notifications, and allows remote monitoring and control of the sensors, enhancing safety and situational awareness. Now, let's have a closer look at the system. There are 4 flame sensors, 4 gas sensors and a VMOS D1 board in this system. These sensors are placed in the hall, kitchen, room 1 and room 2. First, let's test the gas sensors in the kitchen. When these sensors detect hazardous gases, the green LED will light up. At the same time, our smartphone will receive a notification through the Blink app. As you can see here, there are 2 columns in this screen. On the left side are the flame sensors notifications and on the right side are the gas sensors notification. Now let's test the flame gas sensors in room 1. The same thing happened here. The gas sensors detected the hazardous gases and sent notification through the Blink app. The same goes to the hall and room 2. Now let's test the flame sensors in the hall. As you can see here, the flame sensors have detected fire and sent notification through the Blink app. We also added an offline system to our project. When the gas sensors detect hazardous gases, the buzzer will make noise and the reading will be displayed on the LCD. This early notification allows us to take immediate precaution measures to save our lives and belongings. With this information, I would like to pass to my friend LISHAANT for the conclusion.
Thank you, Tashveen. Hello judges, we meet again. Now that you have listened to our entire presentation, let me conclude it. The IoT-based fire and gas detection safety system is related to SDG 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities. By enhancing fire safety measures and providing early detection and rapid response to fire and gas hazards, the system contributes to the goal of creating a safe, inclusive, resilient and sustainable city and community. This helps reduce the risk of fire accidents, protect lives and properties, plus ensuring the overall well-being of individuals and communities. By integrating IoT technology, the system enables efficient monitoring, centralized management and proactive measures, thereby enhancing the safety and sustainability of urban areas. Thank you so much judges for lending us your ears. Team,
Thank you.